Today I'm going to cook Ikan Bakar. Now I have to roll it. Roll it. Just roll it like this. Is bakar. What is happening is bakar, which is grilling. This is Ikan Bakar.
Hi everyone, I'm Suhasini Sood. We the Chefs is an online aggregator for home chefs with presence in Delhi NCR and Bangalore. We have partnered with more than 300 chefs who are excited and keen to bring their food and share it with all of you. We make this happen by collecting hot, authentic, freshly prepared food from their doorsteps and delivering it to you.
Hi, I'm Jayita for We the Chefs. Today I'm going to cook Ikan Bakar. Ikan means fish and bakar means roasting. So this is one of the key dishes which is sold in the food courts during dinner time. And I'm going to be showing how to do it. Taking you through the ingredients. This is the fish, which is bhetki fillet. This is the principal ingredient which I home make. This is the sambal paste, which is the key ingredient in this dish. It is made of chilies, lemongrass, fish sauce, garlic, and the dry red chilies also. There is no tomato in this paste. So this is the key, and there is dry fish paste in it. It is one of the most beautiful pastes I have ever seen, and you can do anything with it. So today I'm going to do Ikan Bakar. With it, what is served is lemon rice, peanuts, and assorted vegetables. These I've already cooked, so I'll directly take you to how to cook the dish. So first is the fish, which I've already marinated with lime juice and a little bit of garlic powder and salt, very limited salt. Now comes the ingredient sambal paste. I have to marinate it well. It should be there a standing time of 10 to 15 minutes so that the thing soaks in. After that, I'm going to be putting them on It is very similar to the paturi of Bengal, but it is the paste which does the magic. So this is the paste, and now I have to roll it. Roll it. Just roll it like this. Put another banana leaf so that it is tighter. Roll it. And then take a toothpick. Put it across so that it doesn't. Let it rest. So I am ready to cook. Now a little bit of oil. And I'm putting this here. I let it cook for some time. Now this fish is served with a little bit of assortment of vegetables, some coconut lemon rice, which is the key ingredient, sambal paste by the side, and of course fried garlic. I have made this earlier, so this has the long brinjals. It has bok choy, which is cut into half, and beans. And there are some green chilies. These are the main assortment of vegetables which people like, and also bhindi. So why do people have this? This is a full meal, and when people go out, Malaysia is such a place where every meal is had outside, and this is found in the food court. It is sizzling away, so I can hear the sound and I know how much it is going to be cooked. So now this has happened. I will turn it. and wait for some time. Now comes the magic. This is almost done. I will remove it. Ideally, I should have done on a charcoal, but since it's indoors, I have to do with a pan where the fire is going to be directly on the fish. This is there. This is bakar. What is happening is bakar, which is grilling. These are the main things which they use. They don't use anything else. Chopsticks. This is the magic. A key ingredient here is also pandan leaf, but in India getting pandan leaf is very difficult. So I've done it without pandan, but whoever has it, who knows about Malaysia, has always loved my Malaysian food. This is the last time I'm going to topple this. This is a little bit difficult. Yeah, it's toppled. I'll bring it here. You can see the smoke coming out. Now is the magic. We call it dhungar in India. So I don't know what it's called in Malaysia, but this is it. And it's out. 2 minutes. So when in Malaysia, you will see red snapper, everything getting grilled. There is no oil. You saw the amount of oil I put, just a drop. It's going to be there. Now it's out. Here it is. So I'll put it up here only, and I'm going to take out these things. Take it out. Ooh la la la. This is Ikan Bakar. So it's done. Simple dish, the magic of sambal paste, and that's it. And lemongrass, lemon leaf, galangal. This is really good. Usually people have it with red snapper, stingray, but here I've done it with bhetki, simply because in India people prefer these fishes. Thank you.
Press the like, subscribe and bell icon, and don't forget to order from We the Chefs to taste the stories of our home chefs.